On the Add a New Articles category page, you'll notice at the top right we have Save, Save and Close, Save and New, Cancel, and a little help window. When you click Save, it's going to save the item and leave you on the page. When you click Save and Close, it'll save the item and close this page and take you back to the main category listing page. When we click Save and New, it's going to save this specific item and it's going to reload the page with a blank one, so we'll be looking at what we're looking at now. And you can obviously cancel out of this page, and you've got your help button here. On the top left, under Details, we can give the article a category, a title. We can give it an alias. Remember to use these tooltips throughout Joomla, the rollovers underneath the titles here. It'll tell you what they're used for. We can change the parent item of this category if we need to create nested categories for our articles. We can change the status, the access, the permissions, the language, and what we're looking at here is where you would type in the description of this specific category. The significance of this is that depending upon how your site is built, or how it was built for you, or how you're going to build it, you can use these pages, you can publish article category pages to show up and actually be a piece of content with some navigation on them. So what you'll see is normally what happens when you publish an article category using a menu or a module perhaps, typically when someone lands on this page, they'll see this text, and then in addition to that, they'll see any sort of image you've got. The layout of this page is not the most flexible, to the extent that if we were to publish an image here and select an image for this category and put some text in this box, when we rendered the page and we looked at it, or published it, so to speak, and looked at it through a browser, I believe the image is going to be aligned to the right and the text is going to be on the left. So it's a pretty kind of fixed category page layout for articles. And then beneath that will be a list of our articles. You can also stick images in this text box. So be mindful of your design and your layout, and how publishing images or inserting an image inside this text box is going to affect the layout of that article category page when in fact it's published. In addition to that, because this can be a published page, we want to be completing the meta description, any keywords, put in an author, and the robots field is for the robot.txt file, and you can assign the search engines to either index this page or not. And this page is identical to the article category edit page. So you're going to see the same video on that page. In a nutshell, we hit cancel, and we selected an existing category, article category, and we click edit. We're going to see this identical page. So if you're on this page and you clicked on the video help button, you're going to watch this same video, just FYI. So hope that was helpful in walking through these two pages. They're pretty straightforward. Again, one of the big things to remember is just be mindful of how selecting an image and assigning an image to this article category, and also inserting an image inside the box, may affect the layout and the look of the category page when published. So hope that was helpful.